to study the different stages of mitosis in onion root tip cells and animal cells, grasshopper, from permanent slides. The process by which cell divides into two daughter cells is called division. It is a continuous process involving two successive divisions. Karyokinesis, the division of nucleus. Cytokinesis, the division of cytoplasm.
Ma'am, what are the different stages of mitosis?
It is an equational division. In this, each daughter cell receives the same number of chromosomes as that of mother cell. It occurs in somatic cells of plants and animals. It is completed in two steps: karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is complicated and completed in four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. After division of nucleus, the cytoplasm also divides, as a result of which two daughter cells are produced. Let's do an experiment to study the different stages of mitosis in onion root tip cells and animal cells, grasshopper, from permanent slides. Our aim here is to study the different stages of mitosis in onion root tip cells and animal cells, grasshopper, from permanent slides. The materials required are compound microscope and permanent slides of mitosis. Procedure: observe the slide first under the low power of the microscope to locate the dividing cells. Examine different stages of mitosis under the high power of microscope. Observations: karyokinesis, interphase. It is non-dividing metabolically high active phase of the cell cycle between two successive cell divisions. Nuclear envelope and nucleolus are distinct. Chromatin fibers appear, forming network within the nucleus and are not distinguished into chromosomes. Prophase. Chromatin material shortens and condenses into thread-like structure called chromosomes. Each chromosome consists of two chromatids joined at a point called centromere. At the end of the prophase, the nucleolus and nuclear membrane disappears. The cellular protein contents condense to a spindle. Metaphase. A bipolar anestral spindle develops in the cell. Chromosomes are seen to be lying at the equatorial region of the spindle. Centromere of each chromosome is attached by fine fibrils to opposite poles of the spindle. Centromere in each chromosome divides to form two daughter centromeres. Thus, each chromatid is having a centromere. Out of two chromatids, one is attached to one pole of the spindle by spindle fibers at centromere region, while other chromatid is attached to opposite pole of spindle. Anaphase. The chromatids of a chromosome have moved apart from each other. They start migrating to the opposite poles. The chromatids have assumed V or L or J or T-shaped appearance while they move to the poles. Telophase. The chromosomes reach the poles of the spindle, uncoil, lengthen and lose the ability to be seen clearly. The spindle fibers disintegrate around the poles. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus reappear and two daughter nuclei appear at opposite poles. Cytokinesis. Cell plate formation takes place between the two daughter nuclei in plant cells. Two daughter cells are formed. Precautions. Root tips should be fixed in the morning between 9 to 12 a.m. Root tips should be washed thoroughly after boiling with dilute HCl, otherwise the cells do not get stained. The root tips should not dry up during warming and staining. There should be no air bubbles on slide.
Thank you, ma'am. You have given a great knowledge through this experiment.